All right, guys, so what do we have here? This is going to be the new setup for the Mark 7.5 GTI. So we got the 2019 out front out there.
Tell me how you still care.
Let me go over this just a little bit and kind of give you like a quick overview of what's gonna go down here. If you've been following me for a while, you've known that I upgraded to a Golf R sized turbo. That was like an OEM plus build. Very good for a daily, super like solid daily setup. Now I wanted to switch things up just a little bit and kind of push the car just a little bit further and see what we can squeeze out of this thing. So in order to do that, we had to get this array of modifications that you see here in front of us. So giving you a quick overview here, obviously to make more power, we're gonna need to dump more fuel into the engine. So for that, we have our multi-port injection kit right here. So you got 4 extra injectors right there, all the harnesses, everything, and then our fuel rail here. So in total, we're going to be running 8 injectors on our 2019 GTI to supply it with fueling. Now to support that, we also have this European spec manifold, and this thing is going to bolt up to the car. It's going to replace the OEM. The cool thing about this is that it already has the 4 ports for the fuel rail that will attach there, and the 4 other injectors. In terms of fueling on the low pressure side, we need to regulate that using our boost controller here. So that is going to be our PM4 control module, and that will basically keep things in check on our low pressure side, and just to make sure everything is, you know, within spec of like the tune and things like that. Back behind us here, we have our new intercooler that we're going to be installing. This one is a direct fit, so it goes in the stock location of the Mark 7's GTI, Golf R, you know, things like that. Currently on the car, we have a front mount. While that one is very good, this is the big boy right here, and this is supposed to, you know, just give us a little bit extra cooling just to make sure I can get consistent lower IATs that the front mount would probably start bottlenecking. So cooling is there, fueling is here. Now in terms of power, this is what I'm really excited about. We went ahead with the RX series turbos, and this thing is a beauty. I mean, it's already got the muffler delete attached on there. We're going to throw on the wastegate. Oh man, dual ball bearing. Really stoked for this. It's an IS38 hybrid. It'll function pretty much like an OEM IS38, but obviously you've got the dual ball bearing, so a little bit faster spooling. Just excited to put this all on the vehicle and just see how we stack up against other cars whenever we head out to Mexico and stuff like that. So really excited. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this is the new setup, guys. Jewel City, we are back. Some new mods, see how this thing does. Stay tuned for the videos, guys. This is just episode 1, quick little intro overview of the entire parts. Last episode is going to be the actual dyno tune session. We're gonna see how much all of this stuff can actually put down to the wheels. My goal, I mean, I'd be happy with 450 wheel, and they should be able to do that just fine. See how it goes, guys. All right, stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and yeah, peace. I'll catch you on the next one. Woo!